Hi guys, welcome back into the kitchen. I'm Derek, I'm the low protein chef here at Nutricia. Today we're going to show you step by step how to cook the Loprofin rice. We get asked loads of questions, loads of emails. It doesn't work out, it's too sticky, it doesn't right, clumps together. So hopefully after this video you'll be able to go from start to finish. So the first thing we've got is 75 grams of the Loprofin rice. That's what we recommend for one portion, but obviously you can batch cook this and you can add more. And then for 75 grams, we've got 1 litre of water. In a medium-sized pan, add the water and get that water to a rolling boil. So all the bubbles on the top are quite vicious and bubbling and dancing around. If it's simmering and the bubbles are kind of just under the water, that's where most people go wrong. So wait for that rolling boil before you then add in the rice. So optional, you can season the water with some salt. So I'm going to add a little pinch of sea salt into there, and then we're going to drizzle in just a small amount of olive oil. The olive oil goes in so when the rice hits the water it gets coated in the olive oil like sunscreen, and then when it goes to the bottom it just prevents that from sticking. So we've got our rice already weighed out. You'll need a wooden spoon. So all we're going to do is just add a little bit of rice at a time. You'll see that then bubbles will then subside. What we need to do is wait for the bubbles to come back to the rolling boil before we then add the next lot of rice. So the bubbles are back, sprinkle on another little bit, and again give that a stir. And it's the stirring that's going to keep all the rice grains separate. Again, the water's come back to the rolling boil, so I'm going to pop in the last bit of rice, and then again give it another stir, wait for that to come back to the rolling boil, and then we're going to cook that for about 10 to 12 minutes. Giving it an occasional stir. You don't have to kind of watch over it like risotto. You can kind of go and do other things and then come back to it. So the rice has been simmering for 10 to 12 minutes. It's cooked. You can tell just by picking one of the grains of rice up, and if you can put your finger in it and it's soft, then it's ready. So we're going to drain this. So take it over to your sieve, pour in. Now there's two ways that you can treat this rice now. So if you leave it in the sieve to steam, this will become sticky rice because all the starch is still on the rice. So if you want to make sushi or sticky rice to go with curries or as a side dish, you can do that. If you want this to use for rice pots and rice salad, then you need to take some boiling water and then rinse all that starch off. So once it's drained, you can serve that straight away as it's still warm, or you can allow that just to go cold in the bowl. And then if you are going to go cold, just drizzle a small amount of olive oil over and then give it a stir so all of the grains are coated in the olive oil. Once it's then cold, you can pop that into a freezer bag or in a box and keep it in the fridge, and then you can heat it up whenever you want. Loprofin rice is great with curries. You can use it as the sticky rice for sushi and rice pots. And again, you can have this cold and then add all your vegetables into it, and then you can make a lovely rice salad. All the recipes are on the website and you'll get lots of inspiration from there. I'll see you next time back in the kitchen for some more recipes. See you later. Bye.